Okay, this is a BMW 2013 5 Series. You're gonna find this type of shifter, and if the car won't start, you're gonna be in trouble trying to put it in neutral, because these cars, they don't come with any kind of shift release. Plus, I want to show you what a locked engine sounds like. You see that loud noise? That's the sound of a seized engine. Over here you can see how it even draw all the energy, but it's not starting. And if you try to put it in neutral, nothing happens. It stays in park. See? I'm trying to crank and put it in neutral, but it doesn't do it.